we have many people in this Chilean town absolutely shocked when they come to find out that this massive lake has just disappeared. Now, this isn't the first time that I've reported on this. We've seen this happen in other parts of the globe, but it's happening more frequently. We have seen sinkholes and holes and things like that associated with some of the events in the past, providing an explanation as to where the water went. But this time, there is no holes, there's no cracks. The whole lake has different depths, and the floor is uneven. So there would be pools of water in different places as the water were to go down, but seemingly overnight. And this is what gets me. This was 1,400 hectares, or 14 square kilometers, or 5.4 square miles of water, guys. Gone. Gone. Now, those looking for a possible scientific explanation, does sit on a fault line. And it is in a volcanic area. But they're saying they don't see anywhere where this water could have went. Slipping into a crack and draining is the problem here. Because this was 425 feet deep, an average depth of 236 feet deep. This wasn't a small body of water. This was for 5 miles in size. I mean, this is a big body of water. I think the largest that I've ever reported on that has just vanished and gone. Could it have went underground? Very, very likely it could have. There could be something else going on here. This is one of the instances where, like I said, there's no huge sinkhole or anything to show exactly where the water went. Although this does sit on a fault line, what this does make me wonder is if it did somehow escape into the earth, into this fault line system. They've seen no activity, no volcanic activity, no rumblings, no swarms from earthquakes, nothing. Keep an eye out for it. It doesn't mean that this isn't taking its time, working its way down and through. This is a lot of water, a lot. If it comes into contact with something hot, there's going to be steam, there's going to be combustion, there's going to be something's going to have to give with all this water, or something else has happened to it. People could say just vanished. At this point, have no solid evidence as to where it went. It's part of the mystery of it, but if it did go into the earth, I would look for some earth changes big time besides just this in terms of volcanic activity, earthquake swarms, magma on the move, any kind of fault movement in this area associated with this massive amount of water slipping down into these cracks. This much water will have an effect on something. It just doesn't disappear like this and then nothing happened. In a volcanic region at that, and in an earthquake-prone region at that. But talk about earth changes. One of the largest bodies of water I've ever seen just kind of shockingly disappear overnight. And as I get more info, I'll continue to update. I'll leave a link so you guys can check out the rest of these images. And if you guys are experiencing anything like this out there, have any photos, video footage, before and after, anything, you think something's going on in your neck of the woods, let me know. It's been Dabu7.